Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about information retrieval in healthcare. Now, these are the contents that we are going to talk about in this PPT. We have introduction, challenges in healthcare information retrieval, techniques used for information retrieval in healthcare, case studies relevant to these, privacy and ethical consideration, balancing information access and privacy protection, future trends and implication, strategies, outcome, advantages and limitations, and conclusions. Now, let's move on to introduction. This is about studying and understanding health-related information. It's not just about patient data, it includes a lot of different types of data. Now, let's think of information retrieval as a way to find and manage information. In healthcare, it is used to gather and organize knowledge from research. In biomedical field, information retrieval is used to deal with lots of different types of digital informations like text, images, videos, chemical structures, and etc. The main goal of information retrieval is to help people find the information they are looking for. It all begins when someone asks a question or makes a request to the information retrieval system. In this image that has been illustrated, there is something called a search engine, which is a tool that helps match the question to the right information using labels, which we call metadata. Now, in this, there are two things that are happening. One is indexing and one is retrieval. In general terms, indexing is nothing but tagging information with labels so it's easy to find. And retrieval is nothing but when a person asks a question, then we get the right answer for that. Therefore, in simple terms, healthcare uses information retrieval to organize and find all sorts of health related information, making it easier for people to get the answers they need. Now we'll explore the challenges and consequences of implementing information retrieval in healthcare. One of the key challenges is the diversity of data sources in healthcare. It ranges from electronic health records to medical imaging. Not just that, but there are various challenges such as a large volume of data, inconsistent quality, privacy issues, ethical issues, interoperability, and more. And we are going to discuss all of it in the coming slides. Now, coming to the consequences of inefficient information retrieval in healthcare, it can result in misdiagnosis, delayed treatment, and increased healthcare costs. It may hinder research and reduce the quality of care provided to the patients. Data breaches could compromise patient safety and overall healthcare quality. Hence, inefficient information retrieval system is important. What is the importance of this? Efficient information retrieval systems are crucial for overcoming these challenges and ensuring better patient care. They play a vital role in improving diagnosis, accuracy, reducing treatment delays, and optimizing healthcare costs. It also supports effective research, enhances the quality of care, and safeguards patients' data. Now, let's talk about the techniques that have been implemented in information retrieval in healthcare. So there are a broad spectrum of approaches and tools designed to efficiently find, retrieve, and present data from massive data sets. These methods are applied in the medical field to organize and get useful information from patient data. Here are some information retrieval techniques applied in healthcare and how they are used in various tasks. First, let's talk about text mining. Text mining is nothing but it extracts insights from unstructured text data and organizes it well. Next, we have natural language processing, that is NLP, which analyzes clinical text, extracts structured information, and identifies medical entities. We have machine learning, which provides clinical decision support and aids in disease diagnosis and accelerates drug discovery. We have retrieval models, which is a classic technique used for medical literature search and efficient patient data retrieval. Next, we have image analysis and computer vision, which supports disease diagnosis, tumor detection, and patient progress monitoring. We have recommender systems, which personalizes treatment options and recommends relevant health content. These evolving techniques are key for improved patient care and research in healthcare. The next slide is going to be presented by one of my teammates. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the case studies in IR. IR is a transforming healthcare. We will explore four impactful case studies. So the first one gonna be IBM Watson for oncology. The AI-driven clinical decision supports for oncologists. It analyzes medical literature, clinical data, and patient records. It provides personalized cancer treatments and recommendation. And now we are going to second one. It's going to be PubMed Medline. The key tools for accessing in Medline literature. It utilizes advanced IR techniques for efficient research access. The vital play role for healthcare professionals and researchers. And the third one gonna be privacy preserving patient data retrieval. It protects sensitive patient data while enabling secure analysis. Techniques like federated learning and differential privacy and employed. It balances data privacy and research needs as well. The fourth case study gonna be image analysis in radiology and pathology. The CAT system enhances radiologist and diagnosis. It detects the abnormalities in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, improving the accuracy. The fifth one is like drug discovery and treatment recommendations. Pharmaceutical companies and researchers use information retrieval and machine learning for drug discovery, leverages them to search and analyze extensive data sets. It identifies the potential drug candidates and offer personalized treatment options. Let's discuss about the privacy and ethical consideration, recognizing the sensitivity of patient information, addressing potential risk in data handling. The importance of a patient data privacy is like first one gonna be patient trust, ensuring secure handling of its personal data to build and maintain the trust between the healthcare providers and patient. The second is like legal and regulatory compliance. Healthcare organizations are subject to expect in Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act in the United States, and the General Data Protection Regulation GDPR in Europe. It comes under non-compliance and leads to legal actions. Coming to data security, ensuring data privacy as a top priority to safeguard the confidentiality and integrity of medical records against unauthorized access and breach. So now let's discuss about ethical concerns in healthcare in IR. Informed consent, obtaining patient consent for data use, emphasizing transparency in data usage. And the second one is data anonymization, anonymizing patient data to protect and privacy. The third one is like bias and fairness, ensuring unbiased information retrieval system to prevent discrimination. Now we are discussing about the balancing information access and privacy protection. The data minimization, collecting and storing only the necessary patient data for specific defined purpose. And the next one is access control. Strict the access control for authorized personnel with a legitimate need to access patient information. And the next one is like secure data sharing, complaint methods and obtain consent before sharing patient data for research or collaboration. And the next one is ethics review and boards. Patient data based on healthcare research necessities, ethics committee review to access ethical implications and safeguard patients' right. And the next one is like patient education. Patients should be educated on data usage and empowered to set consent preferences for data control. And the last going to be technology safeguards, using encryption and the secure cloud storage and auditing to safeguard patient data. Let's now discuss about the future trends and implications. In IR, healthcare evolving with technology and changing needs, AI for diagnosis and treatment recommendation, the increase in use of AI for data analysis, diagnosis, and therapy recommendation. The implications are faster decision, precise diagnostic, tailored therapies, improving outcomes, reducing errors, and optimizing resources utilization in healthcare. The second one, the telemedicine and remote monitoring trend is growing adoption of remote monitoring and telemedicine for home-based treatment and consultations. The implications are the real-time data for chronic diseases management is increased accessibility, effective care, cost saving, and enhanced patient engagement. Let's turn into the third point of the future trends is interoperability and data exchange. And the trend of it's enhancing data interchange and interoperability in healthcare. The implication is improved patient care, cost reduction, informed clinical decision, and continuity of care, and it's reduced redundancy. Let's get to the fourth one is like healthcare data analytics. The trend of this is increasing use of data analytics in healthcare database with the implication of is the disease prevention and better treatment outcomes, resources allocations and evidence based decision making. The fifth one is genomic data integration. The trend of this is genetics with medical records for tailored medication, and the implication is improved drug selection, individualized treatment, and genetic based illness like risk prediction. The next one is digital health and wearable devices. The trend of this is growth in digital health solutions and wearables for remote patients monitoring and self management. The implication says empowering patients to monitor vital signs, take an active role in their care, and promote prevention. The seventh point gonna be in this future trend is blockchain for data security. In the trend, the blockchain role in secure and transparent health data management. Let's now talk about the implication. Enhanced consent data security, integrity, and improved privacy boosting trust in medical data. And the eighth one is AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants. The trend says chatbots and virtual assistants used for health queries, appointments, and patients' interaction. The implication indicates streamlined admin tasks, cost saving, and in healthcare service delivery.
Hi, this is Satvika. Now, let us discuss about the strategies. The first strategy is assessment of needs and objectives. So, this involves conducting a thorough evaluation to understand the specific requirements and goals of implementing an IO system in the healthcare settings. So, it's very important to identify the type of information healthcare professionals need to retrieve and the challenges they currently face in accessing relevant data. The next strategy is data quality assurance. So data quality assurance focus on ensuring that the information used by the IR system is accurate, reliable, and up to date. So this involves processes like data cleaning, validation, and verification, and followed by system select. In this, choosing the right IR system is crucial step. Factors to consider include the system's compatibility with the existing healthcare IT infrastructure, scalability, and the specific needs. The next is data privacy and security. So healthcare data is sensitive and should have a strict privacy regulations. So let us consider an example. So let's say you have visited a doctor for a checkup. The doctor takes notes about your health, like allergies, or the medicines you've been taking, and all this. So this information is private and it is important for your health. So it should be kept safe. The next is quality assurance and testing. So the rigorous testing is crucial to ensure the IR system function as intended. So this includes unit testing, which is testing individual components, and integration testing, which involves different parts work together. And next is the user acceptance testing, which is ensuring it meets user requirements. So quality assurance is also involves identifying and rectifying any bugs or issues. Next is continuous monitoring and evaluation. So once the IR system is in operation, it's important to continuously monitor its performance and efficiency. So this includes tracking success rates, user satisfaction, and system responsiveness. So regular evaluation ensure that the system remains in position with evolving healthcare needs and technology advantages. Next is change management. Effective change management involves planning, communication, and training to help user adapt to the new system smoothly. It also involves addressing any concerns or changes in the current system. Next is user feedback and iteration. So in this, gathering feedback from healthcare professionals using the IR system is essential for continuous improvement. So let us consider an example in this. So think about a group of doctors and there are a group of nurses. So the nurse is have been suggesting the features that allow them to easily see patients' medical history. And the doctors think that it would be helpful to have a quick finds relative to the patient record. So this feedback helps identifying areas of enhancement such as improving search capabilities, refining the ranking, or adding new features. Now let's discuss about the outcomes. Using IR in the medical field improves patient care through personalized treatment and quicker diagnosis. The IR system helps healthcare providers to have up-to-date medical information quickly. So this enables them to make more informed decision about the patient's diagnosis and treatment plan. The next outcome is more effective research and accelerated search and data analysis. Healthcare professionals, researchers, and academics often need to shift through vast amount of medical information and research data. So this IR system streamlines this process by quickly retrieving relevant information. Next is improved remote monitoring and client decision support. Here, the IR system can provide healthcare professionals with timely information at the point of care. This assists in making well-informed decisions about diagnosis and treatment and patient management. IR can support remote monitoring initiatives, allows for the continuous tracking of patients' health status, which is especially important for this disease management. The next is better population health management and lower healthcare expenditures. In this, by facilitating more accurate and efficient diagnosis, IR can lead to reduced hospital stays and fewer unnecessary tests and more target treatment. This can help lower overall the healthcare costs. The next outcome is increased medication discovery and patient involvement. In this, the IR system can provide patients with easy access to reliable information, empowering them to take a more active role in their own care. This can lead to improved treatment plans and better health outcomes. The next is precise pathology and radiography, which eventually enhances patients' outcomes. In this field, a timely information is crucial for accurate treatment planning. IR system can help in retrieving relevant data and make accurate assessments. This accuracy ultimately leads to better patient outcome and more effective treatment strategies. So now let us discuss about the advantages and limitations. First, limitations. The limitations of IR in healthcare. The first is data quality issue. If the information in the system is incomplete, incorrect, or not well organized, it can make it harder for the IR system to find the right information. This is a significant challenge because having accurate and reliable data is crucial in healthcare. The next limitation is algorithm bias. AI algorithm, which is a key component of IR system, can sometimes have bias. This means they might favor certain types of information or patterns over others. In this healthcare, this could potentially lead to difference in how patients are treated, which is serious concern. The next is privacy and security concerns. So this one is about finding the right balance between making sure the healthcare professionals have access to the information they need while also protecting the privacy and security of the patient's data. The next is interoperability. In this is a technical challenge. Different healthcare systems often use different technologies and formats for storing and managing data. Making all these different systems work together smoothly can be quite complex. It's like trying to get different brands of smartphones to share information seamlessly. And the next is resistance to adoption. Even if a new IR system is really helpful, healthcare professionals might be hesitate to use it. This could be because they are used to the way things have always been done, or they might worry that using new technology will slow down their work or difficult to learn. And the other limitation is legal and ethical complexity. There is often complex legal and ethical issues involved in healthcare. For instance, who has the right to access certain type of medical information? What are the rules around sharing sensitive data? These questions can have complicated answers, and it's crucial for them to correctly ensure that all our legal and ethical standards are met. Now let us discuss about the advantages. The first advantage is improved patient care. So the IR helps doctor to find entry problems inside your body. This means faster and more personalized treatment and often quicker recovery. The next is efficient research. In this, the IR speeds up medical discoveries by providing lots of useful information. It helps researchers quickly find and understand the important studies, making process even faster. The next is enhanced client decision support. In this, the IR gives doctor real-time pictures inside your body, helping them make better decisions during the procedure. They rely on strong evidence and facts to make sure you get the best care. The next is telemedicine and remote monitoring. In this, the IR makes it easy for you to see a doctor from your own home using a technology. It also lets doctor keep an eye on your health remotely, which can be very helpful, especially if you're living far away. The next is reduced healthcare costs. So using IR can save money in healthcare by making things more organized and by avoiding mistakes. It's like finding ways to do things better and safer, which can lower an overall cost of healthcare. So, in conclusion, using IR in healthcare has many advantages. It improves patient care, helps diagnose problem faster, speed up research, and saves money. But there are some challenges too, like making sure the information is accurate, keeping them private, and making sure everyone is comfortable using it. To make the most of IR in healthcare, we need to tackle these challenges. This means focusing on getting the right information, being open about how things work, keeping patient information safe, and teaching everyone involved how to use it. Following the rules and being fair with information is really important too. And here's the exciting part. Using IR in healthcare is always getting better, and there's a lot of room for new ideas. Supporting more research in this area is super important. It helps us deal with complex healthcare problems, making patients even healthier and make healthcare services even better. So, by always making IR solution better, we can use technology to help doctors and patients even more. Thank you.